Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. This video is about how to translate nice in French because we don't just have one word for everything, we have several. And we're going to have a look at the standard French, then the familiar, and then the colloquial French. Let's start with the standard French, which is agréable, and agréable has the meaning of pleasant. You can use it for people, places, experiences, but not for objects. If you want to talk about a nice book, you'd have to say un livre intéressant, for instance, an interesting book. So let's have a look how you can use it here. Notre jardin est très agréable, surtout en été. Notre jardin est très agréable, surtout en été. Here I linked the très and agréable together. Our garden is very nice, especially in the summer, or very pleasant. J'aime bien Laura, elle est toujours agréable. J'aime bien Laura, elle est toujours agréable. I like Laura, she's always friendly. Le voyage en train a été plutôt agréable. Le voyage en train a été plutôt agréable. The train trip was rather pleasant. Before we carry on, I just want to say you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. And also take a look at my Parler Français Level 1 and 2 course. It's geared at people who want to learn conversational French at a basic to intermediate level, the fastest possible way. Now, on a more familiar register, you can use the word sympa to mean friendly, pleasant, good. The beauty of sympa is you can apply it to absolutely anything, people, experiences, places, objects. Absolutely anything. And I really like this one, we use it a lot. Elle est sympa, ta nouvelle maison. Elle est sympa, ta nouvelle maison. Your new house is really nice. So this is a construction we use only in speech. Instead of saying ta nouvelle maison est sympa, which is correct, we announce what we think of it before the subject. It's nice, your new house. And we do that an awful lot when we speak. La mère de Sophie n'est pas très sympa avec elle. La mère de Sophie n'est pas très sympa avec elle. Sophie's mom is not very nice to her. Je viens de lire un livre sympa. Je peux te le passer si tu veux. Je viens de lire un livre sympa. Je peux te le passer si tu veux. I have just read a good book. I can lend it to you if you like. And here, because we're on the familiar register, instead of saying je peux te le prêter, prêter being to lend, I can pass it to you. It's a bit more familiar, but it means exactly the same thing. Now, on a more colloquial register, we've got chouette, génial, super, which all mean cool, great. For instance, you can use it for people, experiences, places, and objects, and that's why they're really handy words. Interestingly, those we had before, agréable, sympa, as well as chouette and génial, are adjectives that go after the noun, but super goes before. So let me give you an example for each. Elle est chouette, ta nouvelle copine. Elle est chouette, ta nouvelle copine. Your new girlfriend's cool. You see how we've done it again. She's cool, your new friend. Mes parents m'ont offert des baskets géniales pour mon anniversaire. Mes parents m'ont offert des baskets géniales pour mon anniversaire. My parents gave me some great trainers for my birthday, or some cool trainers. Ma fille a une super prof de maths cette année. Ma fille a une super prof de maths cette année. My daughter has a great maths teacher this year. And that's it for now. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed this video to support me. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. À bientôt.